How to get Krita on macOS 26. So all you have to do is to open this website. I'm gonna leave it to you in this video description. And here you can download the newest version of the Krita, and it's also the macOS installer. So simply click on this window. Now click on allow and wait until it's downloaded. So I'm gonna wait. And now when it's downloaded, simply proceed the installation. Open the downloaded file, grab the Krita to your applications. Now you can open your applications and here you will find Krita. So scroll here and this is it. Simply double click it. The Krita will be opened and wait, click on open. And this is how you can get Krita on your Mac OS 26. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.